Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today let's talk about Moringa. So Moringa is a tropical plant and it likes warm weather. Now it is already fall, and as you can see that all the leaves are turning yellow. So what do you do to protect this Moringa so that in next spring it comes to life again? So first of all, if this Moringa was in a container, the best will be that you move that container inside and keep it at a place where it gets direct sunlight through a window or something like that. That is the best option. If you can't take it inside, if you have a garden tent, with white material or see-through material, that is another good option because then it stays warm inside and it's not exposed to cold directly. And if none of those are possible, like here in this case, it is planted in the ground, so I can't take it inside and I can't put a tent around here. So the next best thing is to mulch the ground. So if you look at this at the bottom, I have put at least 10 inches of haystack all around it. So, the roots are protected. So they are not exposed to cold directly, and that helps save the roots. And there is a water system already in there directly, so it is getting irrigated and the roots are protected with this hay. So even if it drops all the leaves and even if the stalk kind of dries up on the top, next spring it will sprout again and the plant will be alive again. And if it is able to grow taller next season, the taller it grows, the more chances of its survival. So those are the three things you could do. You could put it in a garden tent, you can take it inside, or if you have to leave it outside, then cover it with do a lot of mulching, 6 to 10 inches of mulch. I've used hay, you could use wood chips or dry leaves or whatever, and a good 8 to 10 inches of mulching to protect it for the next season. And when the spring arrives, this stem will sprout again, and you can enjoy the leaves in the next season. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.